I had this crazy idea, and when I heard about all the houses being the same, I thought, you know what, Matt? Call me crazy, but I want to...
You're crazy.
Got this crazy idea. We're from South Australia. We love a wine.
Okay.
You know where I'm going with this?
Maybe. Talk to me.
I want to dig a cellar.
You want to dig a cellar?
I want to put a cellar in. That would be a game changer for us. We wouldn't even know it's there until you walked and opened a door and went down.
The boys' crazy idea is to dig a hole here, right off their living area.
I thought it was crazy.
Which...
I was like, they're not going to say
And I
you
s-
can dig a hole next to the house and put in a wine cellar.
And I was like, you know
I
what?
love the idea.
We can only ask. We can only ask. We'll keep it hush-hush, and we can ask the question.
That's the seed we're
Loving
planting
the
right
sound.
now.
Loving the sound of it. I'm going to need a lot more information.
Do you know what I'm liking so far? It's not a no. It's not a no.
No.
It's not a no.
So one thing we love on the block is different ideas, and we'll try and do everything to make it possible. But I'm going to need a lot more information, and it's going to have to happen pretty quick because we're probably going to have to go to council, get approval from council, and then go through how we're going to get airflow down there and things like that.
That is one hell of a gamble, guys.
You know what? It's a gamble that could win us the show, though.
We are both very highly competitive people, both, you know, being professional athletes. It is a sport. It's given us that fire and that drive.
The way we approach things in life, you know, if I was bowling to Nana on Christmas Day, she'd be getting one on the stumps for sure. OK, Dan. Thank you, mate. That's all we need.
And we're also turning the driveway into a light aircraft runway, so I'll just leave that with you. If we spend money on the cellar and not win anything, we're just going to have a mud hole.
How are you feeling about it?
Excited, scared that we're not going to get the money, stoked because it's such a great idea, haven't got the money. If we get the money, we win the block, haven't got the money. That's how we feel.